Welcome back to Siteworks Infield. When last week we're here, we had set our base up arbitrarily. We shot this catch basin over here as our control point, anchoring everything to that rim. And then we shot a point on the slab and we anchored our whole PDF. There's a few ways to actually get this pond drawn in. One of the best steps I like to do is if I come into my hamburger menu here, I go to my Kogo, I go to create points and arcs. If we actually come down here to create line and boundary, I have a 303 contour down there. I can zoom right in and I can actually, with my stylus, touch some points here and around this contour. What's nice is you can go back if you want, kind of draw that in. The more points you make on a curve, the better it'll turn out. Come down to the end here. All I'm doing is just tapping with my stylus. Close that. And there's a little mountain up here to the left side of the question mark. If I just touch that, I can actually enter the elevation of this line at 303. Hit accept. I got a 303 contour. What I can actually do now is I can go up here, create an offset line, tap that line. Going to create another break line. We're going to call it 304. Offset at 2 feet. That looks like it's going to work. We'll go up 1 foot. And there's my 304 contour. That's going to match pretty well. Now that 305 contour, that obviously isn't something we can offset. So if we wanted to, we could draw that line in. We'll just do this just so that we can kind of illustrate how this is working. Once again, the more dots you put on this curve, the more defined it will be. Enter in 305. Alright, and then let's just go back and let's just see. We'll go to our 3D surface viewer, turn on our measured surface. If we zoom in, we should see a little definition of this forebay. And it started. And there's our forebay. And then we're just going to rinse and repeat.